First and foremost, I'm a lawyer. If I want to make a statement on judicial matters, I think I should have an opportunity to look at the text. I haven't had that opportunity yet.
And I think the reason why a lot of people are saying this is because it's the timing that you said this, made this statement.
Not because whatever the timing may be, one must also look at the context. The context says global homes. If you, in this case, it's not against President Barrow, but his government.
You said the law-abiding government.
Yes, about his the law-abiding government.
Yes,
but what I'm saying is that a decision of the Supreme Court of the Gambia and other decisions
have been respected.
Went against the President Barrow's personal decision. I knew this at the time because I was a special advisor to the President. I knew it was a decision the President made. And as President, you make some decisions, very difficult decisions sometimes. The decision was President Barrow would wish that Yakumba Jade did not return to National Assembly. And he could have refused to obey the court order. What would have happened? There would be a lot of noise. Nobody would go and arrest him there. Yakumba would not have gone back to Parliament. Yajama had done it. It happened. I don't want to go back because the former president is what I think. Let me finish now. So what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say here is that President Barrow had respected, his government has a track record of respecting court decisions. That is so far. Of respecting decisions made by the court. Now, this one has not been respected. It is alleged, because I don't know. It is alleged that this one has not been respected. I am saying it is out of character. It's out of context. It is inconsistent with the record so far demonstrated by the government. The record of respecting court decisions. This one is inconsistent with that. So this is I'm not saying the government was right or government was wrong. But I'm not saying Global Homes was right or wrong. But I'm saying based on the context, I do not understand how this could happen.
Fatu, we cannot also allow Honorable Fatu to tell us that President Barrow could have refused the decision of the court and Yakumba will not go back to Parliament and who will do anything, nothing will happen. We will not allow that. I think that will defeat, the purpose of even the coalition 2016, why Ajami was removed. I think I'm disappointed that is coming from Honorable. That is indirectly accepting dictatorship in this country. If court rulings are made, I think what is right to say is to tell us that President Barrow, of course, did accept the court ruling and he would have accepted it whether he likes it or not, because that's the democracy that we've built. But if you're sitting here telling us that President Barrow could have refused the decision of the court and nothing will happen, that is so disappointing, Honorable, with due respect. But then